Okay, so when dealing with trig problems and setting trig problems up, it's going to be essential for you to be able to look at a triangle and tell what the hypotenuse is, the opposite side, and the adjacent side. So when you're labeling right triangles for trig, again, the hypotenuse, like we talked about, is always opposite or across from the right angle. Always. It's always going to be that way. It's never going to change. The hypotenuse is never going to change. Then, when we're talking about the opposite side, this is going to be the side that is across from the angle we are using. And again, these two pieces are going to change. The hypotenuse is never going to change, but the opposite and the adjacent sides are going to change based on what angle in the triangle you're using. So again, the opposite is across from the angle we are using, which is not ever going to be the right angle. And adjacent is going to be, adjacent means next to the angle we're using. It's always going to be that leftover side after you label the hypotenuse and the opposite side. The remaining one will be the adjacent one. Yeah, I'll just make a note here to label this one last. Boom. There we go. Okay. So we'll look at an example of that now.